This will help to transform us. I always say now, what can we do with our young people? Young people, let me tell you today, you do not know how I hate even endorsing and promoting our people to go to look for jobs out. They say externalization of jobs. When we go out, when we go to those Arab countries, we should go because we have chosen to go. Not that because we do not have anything to do in our country. Our country is the best. Of all the places in the world, our country is always the best. So when you go out, it's also good to go and experience out, but not because of pressure, but because you have chosen to go. Our young people have suffered so much in the Eastern world, in Arab countries. They have suffered. It's only a few who have success stories. And because we have put pressure, so much pressure, on government and their people who send our people out for this externalization of jobs. And when it comes to now these people to come back, their passports are not given. Nobody wants to help in transporting them back. So what we are doing here now is to have also our own activities, our own work here. You have gone many miles by even writing your strategic plans. And it is from these strategic plans that you will have something to guide you on how to move.